Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to insert page before page in CorelDraw with a different layout without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I have about 3 pages right here. First page here, second page right here, and third page right here in different layout. Let's say for instance, I want to add another page right here from the first one right here, and I don't want the page to have this particular layout size and the settings right here. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here, and then we want to make sure we click on insert page before. So once we click on insert page before, you can see that's automatically insert. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 page just like so. Now let's go back to the insert before right here. We can decide to switch this particular one to another size of our choice, and for that there are so many ways by which we can do this, and we can come to the inches right here. We can decide to make this pixel as the case may be. So pixel right here. So we now change this to pixel. If we go to the second page right here, we have pixel. If we go to the third page here, we have pixel. The last page here, we have pixel. First page here, we have pixel. But in some cases, we want the effects to be applied to the only one right here. So for that, what we want to do is to make sure we click on this particular apply to current page right here. Then we come back right here. We can switch to inches now. So when we switch to inches, so how do we add the effect into this particular one right here? So we can easily double click on the outside of the page right here, and this is going to pump up right here. So from this point here, we can change the page size. So we can click on the size of the page right here. We have different layouts right here. Let's go ahead and insert this particular iPhone S size right here. So we can change the resolution right here to something like 300 right here. So hit on OK. Now let's see. Now you can see the size here has changed. So if you go to the second page right here, we have the same size as this right here. If you go to the third one, we have the same size. Go to the last one here, we have the same size. So here is the one that we insert, and we are able to adjust the layout of this particular page right here. So we have about 4 different page layout settings right here in different layout. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about page setting and page layout in CorelDraw, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.